This video will show you how to lock a folio and generate invoice for a guest. A folio, also called a pro forma invoice or PI, can be locked only once it has been settled by the guest. Hotelogix lets you easily lock a folio and generate an invoice. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you need to lock the folio and generate an invoice. Click Payments in the context menu that opens up. The reservation's payment page opens in a new tab. The Folio List section on the top right captures the consolidated folios and their amounts for the reservation. Now, click Generate Now to generate folios for all the activities or services used by the guest reflecting in the account statement. The Folio List reflects the generated folios. Alternatively, you can also click the button Generate Folio to generate folios. Please note that the folios are unlocked and editable till this stage. Now, click Folio in the Folio List and settle the same. Once all folios are settled, you can proceed with locking them and generating invoices. Now, checkmark the folio and click Close. Alternatively, you can also click the lock to lock the folio. A confirmation message box appears. Click OK. Once finalized or locked, folios convert into invoices and become uneditable. Note the Close lock icon next to closed folio. A new invoice number gets assigned to each folio prefixed with INV. Please note that INV is a default prefix. You may customize it from the admin console. Now, checkmark the folio and click Print to print the consolidated invoice. This brings us to the end of the video on how to lock a folio and generate invoice for a guest.